Welcome to the AI prompt engineer. And let's go to ChatGPT and type this question. On which date did ChatGPT become publicly available for use? And let's see the answer. As AI language model, I don't have a specific birthday or date of initial release. Blah blah blah. So now we will see the same question. We will check it the same thing on different platform. The name is perplexity.ai. Just go to this. Either you want to log in, do login, sign up, whatever, and then just go to this and ask your the same question. And here we have multiple options, like if you wanna take answer from internet, academic, YouTube, Reddit, etc. And also you can see here their apps are also available, and some most popular questions are also available. So yeah, this is just a basic homepage of this perplexity. And now let's search the answer and let's see what we are getting. And you can see here we are getting the exact date, the current data. So what we understand here is, whatever if we really need something to research, then ChatGPT is not able to give us data after 2021 because they are not trained. Just type another question. Please provide me the list of top AI tools that have been launched in 2023. And now you see the answer. My training data only goes until September 2021. This is the answer of ChatGPT, and this is just a concern for us if we really want to research something for our project or for anything. So and then type the same thing in perplexity.ai, and let's see. Here we will get a current data, and along with the data also we will get the resources as well to explore it more. So yeah, this is a great. And you can see we are getting a bunch of list of all these famous AI tools of this 2023, like Notion AI's, Tableau, TensorFlow, and so many additional tools. And if you go to these options, just you can see these are the resources: read, write, unite, and all these are the resources. And also here we have to option to like accurate or non-accurate, like, dislike button. Just go to view detail for more detailed resources. You want to see some more resources, just go to that. You want to edit query, you can see the edit icon. So just go to view detail, and let's see in a detail form. And now you can see it is the answer is a little bit more extended in a detailed form. And if we want to make it again, make it short, just go to view concise icon and click it, and the option will be shorted. So yeah, here the main benefit of this tool is, just go to view resources and you can see all those resources are available which are related to this query, like the question we asked. So it will make our research purpose very easy and simple. Add more resources, go to click on button, and you can see there are more resources related to that. So yeah, this is a great tool if we really want to like research something. If you really want current data related to anything, this is one of the greatest tool as compared to ChatGPT. So yeah, you must try it. And there are also some related question according to our queries. As you can see here, what are the most popular AI tools for content creation and all. So if you really want to like doing something, copywriting, some writing some articles, or even if you wanna go through some latest AI news, still this is very better. So must try it. And don't forget to like, subscribe channel.